we will accept credit card payments online. Visa, MasterCard, PayPal, you name it. Doc, ano yung product natin sa AIM World na i-deliver door-to-door in 200 countries? Na company na mag-accept ng payment online, credit card, PayPal, and everything. Our first flagship product with AIM World is called iProtect 24/7. Are you excited about this? It is a 30 years of heavily laboratories, clinical research invented by a Japanese scientist. It's a Japanese technology, but the product is made from US. And we are exclusive with this particular product worldwide through MLM online distribution. Are you excited to know about it? Doc, ano ang iProtect 24/7? It's a wearable technology. It's something that you wear. It's actually a necklace with a pendant on it. It's just the carrier of iProtect. What is iProtect, Doc? You have a necklace, bubuksan mo siya, parang pendant, ipapasok mo si iProtect doon. Pag pinasok mo si iProtect, you're gonna peel off the sticker. Once you peel off the sticker, it becomes activated. What will happen, Doc? It will emit an invisible fume, and it will create a 2-meter, 2 metro, a 2-meter force field. Antibacterial, antimicrobial, antiviral force field. Dok, ano ibig sabihin nun? Kunwari may kausap ka. Yung kausap mo may ubo, may respiratory tract infection, may pneumonia, may tuberculosis. Inubuhan ka. Bago umabot yung bacteria sa'yo, namamatay within seconds. Power na power na power. May kausap ka, may virus, may SARS, may MERS, may influenza, may sipon. Inatsingan ka. Bago umabot yung virus sa'yo, namamatay within seconds. And the good news, yung power ng iProtect will only last within 60 days. So after 60 days, itatapon mo siya, papalitan mo ng bago. So merong reorder. Of heavy negotiations for us to be exclusive with this, finally the supplier signed an agreement with us. Bakit ko minamadali? Dapat November pa to. Nakakalungkot kasi. Are you familiar with MERS? Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. It's actually caused by a coronavirus. Meron na sa Thailand, meron na sa Taiwan, meron na sa Korea, may namatay na sa Korea. And from what I've researched, meron na rin sa Japan. So the good thing with this product, it will protect them from catching those kind of dreaded diseases. Okay po ba yun? Yes! So can you imagine, before ang pinag-uusapan natin, 12 countries lang. Once we launch this particular division, AIM World, once we launch this particular product, iProtect 24/7, ang pag-uusapan na natin, 200 countries worldwide.